The latest Bugatti Chiron Super Sport has just rolled out of the company's French factory and is now en route to its lucky owner in Singapore. This particular Chiron Super Sport, dubbed the Red Dragon, is anything but ordinary, boasting a striking exterior that sets it apart from the rest. Drenched in red carbon fiber, the Red Dragon exudes a mesmerizing allure, especially when bathed in light. The red carbon fiber showcases a vibrant hue under direct light, transitioning to a deep maroon finish in darker settings. Complementing this striking exterior are nocturne black stripes traversing the length of the car, along with select components finished in traditional carbon fiber. Gloss black wheels and red brake calipers add to the ensemble, while optional sky view glass roof panels provide an added touch of luxury. But the allure doesn't stop with the exterior. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that perfectly complements the breathtaking exterior. White leather envelopes the seats, door panels, pillars, and transmission tunnel, exuding elegance at every turn. Carbon fiber accents with a sleek satin finish adorn the doors and central spine, adding a sporty touch. Throughout the cabin, pops of red accents, from the rear-view mirror to the seat stitching, infuse the space with character and style. Bugatti introduced the Chiron Super Sport following the world record-setting Chiron Super Sport 300. While the regular Super Sport offers a slightly more well-appointed interior, it retains the same formidable powertrain, an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine delivering a staggering 1,578 horsepower. While the identity of the lucky owner remains undisclosed, one can only hope that they fully enjoy the Red Dragon, taking it to events and letting it roar on the open road rather than relegating it to a mere collection piece.